Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning. Today we're looking at a very popular unit by Carrier. This is the Carrier Performance Series Heat Pump Condenser 38MURAQ. In this video, I'm going to switch it up a bit from what I usually do. I've done a lot of videos about this particular Carrier heat pump condenser, and if you've seen those already, you already know the unit dimensions and efficiencies and stats, all that sort of thing. So instead of doing that, I'm going to go over some questions that people ask me about this unit, and maybe that will help you decide if this heat pump condenser is right for you. So as always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions about this system, leave a comment in the section below. I'll be sure to answer those for you. If you're located in the Orange County, California area and you would like an estimate on one of these systems or just talk about them, more information, please give me a call at 714-526-6368, or you can reach me on our website at albertair.com. So question number one, I get this a lot. Who actually makes this unit? Well, this unit is actually made by Midea in China. It is then branded and sold by Carrier in America. So Midea is a very large ductless split manufacturer. It's a very trusted brand. The technology that they have put into this unit they have been using in ductless split systems that they've made for many years. So it looks exactly like a Midea ductless split condenser, but they changed the controls on it so it can be used with a heat pump, as a heat pump, central AC system, or with a fan coil. Second question I get a lot. I thought this was a heat pump. Why are you using it with a gas furnace and coil? It is even listed on Carrier's website as a heat pump. And the answer to that is, well, this is a crossover condenser, meaning it can be used in a variety of configurations, not just as a heat pump. So obviously first, it can be paired with a Carrier fan coil like the 38MURAQ and be a heat pump condenser, meaning it's an all-electric system for heating and for cooling. Second, it can be paired with a Carrier gas furnace and evaporator coil, and can be an air conditioning condenser, meaning the condenser and evaporator coil does the cooling portion and the gas furnace will do your heating. And lastly, a very popular new way to do this system would be a dual fuel system. So it is going to be matched with a gas furnace inside, and this will either be an AC condenser or heat pump condenser outside, depending on the thermostat you pair it with. And you set parameters in that thermostat to say, hey, I would like to use it as a heat pump, meaning electric heat, until it gets to about 45 degrees outside. Then I would like to switch over to the actual gas heating portion of the system. So that's how that would be worked. Now, different configurations, you can use different wiring and different thermostats, so they'll differ for each of those that I just discussed. Number three, can I use any thermostat I want, like an Ecobee or Honeywell thermostat, and still get the variable speed capability out of the system? So the answer is you can pair it with any thermostat. It comes with a 24-volt wiring board there, so you can do any thermostat you want. But to be a true variable speed system, it would be the communicating system, the outdoor heat pump condenser 38MURAQ, the 40MURAQ fan coil inside, and then the Carrier proprietary thermostat that comes with it, and that would be your communicating system, so it would be true variable speed. If you wire it to an Ecobee or Honeywell or Nest or whatever, it will not be true variable speed, but it will still fluctuate on the compressor and fan speeds outside and the blower on the indoor unit. It just won't be the true variable speed with all the functionality that you would get if you use the Carrier proprietary thermostat. And the last question, which leads right in from this last question to this question, is what is the point of buying a variable speed heat pump system and not getting the full variable speed capabilities? Well, I get this question a lot, and it comes down to a lot of factors. One is the proprietary Carrier thermostat does not have Wi-Fi and is not very attractive looking. So a lot of people say, well, I'm not really buying the system for its variable speed capabilities. I'd rather have a Wi-Fi thermostat. And what they are buying this system for is that it offers this compact design. In the 1.5 and 3 ton sizes, it's a lot smaller. So it's actually only 32 inches high. In the 4 and the 5 ton sizes, it's going to be this 52 inches tall. It only requires 4 inches behind the unit and 20 inches in front of the unit, so you can put it on side yards. It has an extremely quiet operation. So the 5 ton that we're looking at now is 61 decibels, and the 4 ton would be a little less, 3 ton a little less than that, all the way down to 54 decibels. This does come in every size, 1.5 ton, 2 ton, 2.5 ton, 3 ton, 4 ton, and 5 ton sizes. So no matter what size house you have, one of those would work for you. It gets a good efficiency rating. Depending on the size, it will be anywhere from 14.7 SEER2 to 17.3 SEER2. It can be paired with a fan coil or a gas furnace, so giving it a range of functionality and configurations you can use this with. It will qualify for the Carrier Cool Cash instant rebates, and it will qualify if in the heat pump and fan coil configuration, it will qualify for the Clean Tech California rebate of $1,000 when you replace an existing gas furnace. So all that makes this a constant option in all the estimates I do, whether you pair it with a regular thermostat or the communicating thermostat, or with a gas furnace or with a fan coil. So a lot of people just want to have that versatility of the unit that I just described. All those features are great. So I hope this helps you make a better decision on this condenser when you're looking at buying one. I do recommend them for the reasons I just suggested, that it fits a lot of people's needs and wants. If you're looking for any other systems, we're happy to help you on those too. Check out our other videos on the page. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel. I did another video on the fan coil we paired with this on this installation in an attic, and I go over the features of that, so that might be helpful as well. And thank you for watching.